Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real.
Good morning. Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys are having yourself an amazing day. I just decided that I was gonna pull out my camera for a little bit before my boss came in and just spoke to you guys. I just got my hair done. I'm feeling myself, like, y'all, I'm feeling myself. Samantha was like, God, I'm a friend, single life, look good by your touch. Although we're not trying to be single out here for decades to come, but you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? No, but I'm just really feeling myself. Like, she was like, Zoe, all your nails done. And I'm also, you got all the pretty nails like that and stuff like that. I hate Samantha. Samantha, I hate you, okay? I'm at work. I just got off my morning phone call. And, yeah, it's a good day. I don't have work tomorrow because my appointment is tomorrow. For my foot, it's the, I have another follow-up. I have a follow-up appointment. I'm excited. What else is going on? I have some other stuff to share, but I'm just waiting a little bit. I'll share one thing when I go home because I have to show. Yeah, I have to show you when I go home. And then the other stuff, I'm just gonna wait out a little bit, maybe closer to like the end, so that because I don't want nobody to speak on it and like mess it up for me. Oh, before you guys ask what hair this is the hair that I got from Sunbird Hair. I don't recall if I had a coupon code or if I still have a coupon code. I don't remember, but this is my Sunbird Hair. You guys can go to their Amazon store or their website and purchase. They have an Instagram page. You can go on there and inquire. Really good customer service. Yeah, I love the hair. I had it I really wash the shit out of this hair. Like, it just feels so much better the second time around. So yeah, it's a nice day today. It's gonna be 20 degrees, and yeah, I don't know why I came on here and said anything, but I can't wait for go mom. Now, okay, let me ask you guys, okay, with this whole dating thing, you know how I'm an adult now, right? Are there is there such thing as moving too fast? Or because I don't know, I'm really going into this I'm not expecting anything, I'm not running anybody down, you know what I mean? I don't know what's coming in through the fax machine right now. I'm not really looking for something, and I don't want to feel bad that I don't like somebody just how they like me, or I don't want to get into a relationship with somebody because they want to get into a relationship. So I think that's where I'm at right now. It's I'm meeting people who have been single, who want to get into something, and then it's me just coming out of something so serious to get into something again. I'm not really rushing it. If it happens, it happens, but I'm not really rushing it. But at the same time, I want to know if I'm feeling somebody and I want to kiss them, if I'm talking to them for a few weeks or whatever, is that too fast? Or if I want to, is what is too fast? What is what am I supposed to wait? What the fuck am I waiting for? You know what I mean? I'm an adult, I'm grown, I should be able to do these things. But I don't want nobody to be looking at me oh, me and her just started talking, she done give me the whatever already, but we're grown, right? So I don't know, comment below, let me know what you guys think. But that's where I'm stuck at right now, because I'm just I don't want to seem like a loosey-goosey, but at the same time, I'm human, I have needs. I'm coming out of something where I was able to get it anytime, all the time, stuff like that. So yeah, that's the little issue right now, but so yeah, because you guys, I'm very proper in a sense. I can be whoring, not really whoring, but when you're my man, or when I know that's what this is my like I'll be horned, like I'll be like I'll do certain things, like I'll act a certain way because like I know like this is mine. But when it's not, yeah, I don't know this. I'm trying to figure out this whole dating thing, but so far so good, you know. But no complaints here and I'm like, I'm fine. But there is, I don't really want to talk too much about these stuff. So yeah, that's my dilemma. Comment below, let me know, you guys, any tips and tricks for this dating world. I'm gonna go and make these calls and send these resumes and fill these positions, and I will check you guys out a little bit later. I love you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. I don't know what the plan is, but catch you guys later. Okay, bye.
God's plan. God's plan. I know that sometimes I won't. I feel good sometimes I don't. Like,
I fitness down with zero.
I go down to G.O.D.
I make sure the stuff I eat. And still.
Bad things. It's a lot of bad things.
Hey guys, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I just finished work. Yeah. Big up all of the people that will work. I don't sit on at home and do nothing when they're capable of doing stuff. Yeah. But I'm done work for today. I don't have work tomorrow. So I'm super excited. I'm about to miss my bus to go home, but that's okay. I've been missing them all week long. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's only Tuesday. But what did I go say now? What was I gonna say? I absolutely lost my train of thought. But yeah, I'm going home. So I'll see you guys when I go home. Whoa. You guys, somebody came to look for me. You guys! Go best friend, that's my best friend. Hi Steven. Hi Steve. Juice. They don't know you as Juice on the vlog. They don't know you as, I don't know if you, even if you guys can see us, but I go best friend. That's my best friend. You finna. That's my best friend. This guy does not have his ID, so he called me like, yo, meet me at the liquor store. I need to get like...
This is really a vlog movie, eh?
Yeah, this is the vlog. Like, he can't live without liquor.
I can.
Jada? Jada?
Yeah.
What up? Just kidding. I don't want a man, girl. I don't want any man.
Oh, for real?
What?
Hey.
You're so stupid. This guy is a fucking idiot. Anyways, guys, we're going to the liquor store.
Yeah, hold on.
Later. Anyhow, we just got back. We're about to drink some. Let's see what we got to drink. Da, 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 da. I'm excited for today because I'm gonna have so much fun. Like, I got something to look to me, and then my best friend coming to just have a lot of friends. The life. We out here living our best life and stuff. So yeah, we just got a little bottle of Henny, cause anything is possible. Cause anything is possible. Let me get our stuff ready. My mom brought me a plantain. If you guys couldn't hear me this whole freaking time, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. And there may be a voiceover and there may be not if there's audio, so we shall see. I hope Steven doesn't think I have all day. Like, I have an appointment. Okay? Okay. And then I'm gonna keep this cup because I'm fancy.
Jumped into what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any out the bag. Girl, you know it's real, I ain't tryna brag. I just wanna take it to the bag while you let a nigga bust it down, bust it.
Woo, Jesus, oh God, I'm gonna die. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. I feel it already. I'm gonna die. Alright. Big up mommy for the planting. Talk true, mommy. Big up yourself anyway. You're giving me gifts for Mother's Day week. This week is Mother's Day week. I hope I can get her. Sunday I'm supposed to be doing the Sunday's Mother's Day. Don't scare me like that. Sunday is Mother's Day, so I'm gonna try to get her to do the video, the mother-daughter tag video with me, so that I can put that up for Mother's Day. And then for Mother's Day, we're taking her to go see, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but we're gonna go take her to see Oliver. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna vlog because I'll be with my sister, and y'all know my sister hates the vlogs, and that's their treat from me. So yeah, we're going to see Oliver again. And I think that's about it. I'm taking my sister to do her nails. My mom, she really wants a jeans jacket, so I'm gonna see if I can find her one. I'm gonna go to Winners Thursday when I get paid and see if I can get her a jeans jacket. And then I poured yours for you, okay? Oh, he's not even here. But yeah, see if I can get her a jeans jacket. And then yeah, that'll be her gift. If not, I bought her this really cute cup, and I bought her this really cute card. I'll try to show you when I'm putting her gift together. So I was thinking I'll just make her like a gift basket or something. Like, she loves when I do that shit for her. So I'm thinking I may do that. And then after I made the body scrub thing for Lorraine's bridal shower, I made like this pink grapefruit body scrub. I was thinking maybe I should make one for my mom, and maybe make some for my sister as well. A little from my shower to yours. I made yours, okay? Your drink. It's over there too. So yeah, that's what's up. Okay. So yeah. So we're just gonna chill for some time until Steven's wife calls him. Huh? Oh, my bra's over here on the couch too, like just all over here. No, it's not. That's how you know. Like, this nigga's just my friend. Like, you know, guys that you're really serious about, you'd be like, oh my god, I have to clean up. Like, oh my god, like I didn't care what the fuck my house state looked like. Like, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. That one's yours, okay? Give me my drink.
Which one's yours?
Give me my drink.
Both of them are mine.
Are you sick?
I need both of them.
No, give me, man.
After this one, I need both of them. Oh god.
You can have the rest because I don't want to be too turned. I want to remember what's about to occur. Chase.